And the race is on. Danish Minstrel moving up is Andorra Bilateral, rushing up is Loretta. Dugus Pride out of Federal side, rushing up Final Impact. Sinagtala, Dance Fever, Executive Order, Golden Hana. It's now Final Impact, followed by Loretta in second. Danish Minstrel racing third, Bilateral moving up down on the inside. Entry number 4, Andorra. Alongside is entry number 1, A. Dugus Pride, Executive Order, rushing up on the outside. Sinagtala, Golden Hana, Dance Fever, Hot Gossip, number 1, Smart and Noble. And His Majesty is running at the tail of the field. Final Impact by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside is Dugus Pride. Sinagtala out of other outside, and Loretta as they race the final corner. Dugus Pride, Sinagtala, Loretta, and moving up by the rail, Executive Order. And nearing the finish line, Dugus Pride, Sinagtala, Dance Fever on the outside, Golden Hana, Executive Order, Loretta, but still 1A, Dugus Pride, and finally Dugus Pride, Dance Fever, close, Sinagtala, Golden Hana, Loretta, and for your Super 6, Executive Order.